Now we're going to be preparing chicken and plantain suya skewers. I'm preparing my chicken breast into a bigger dish because we're going to be mixing this and you need something spacious enough. I'm also going to be adding my plantains. I'm going to season this with some salt, garlic powder, seasoning, and suya spice. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, and now we're going to layer all of this ingredient here in our skewers. I'll be using some bell peppers, green and red, and also some onions. And this is what your skewer is going to look like. I'm going to brush the skewers with a mixture of suya and oil. This is going to help enhance the suya flavor. Now I'm going to place this in my LG Neochef Microwave, and we're going to be using the roast function because we want this chicken to roast. Now let's check on our, and here's our delicious plantain and chicken skewers. The chicken is well cooked and all ready to eat. If you love what you just watched and you think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community today and also get a chance to create a review video for the LG Neochef Microwave. Use the link in my bio to join now.